Godi day! Welcome to Canal Resort. Ito talaga yung favorite spot ko every time me time ko. So first, you have to remove your shoes and put your shoes inside the locker. Get that key. That key is very important kasi yan ang magsisilbi nyong credit card sa loob ng resort. So you have to choose Gambanyoku Seto. Yun yung may damit tapos habang nagsusona ka. So sabi ko sa inyo, yung key na yan na magsisilbi yung credit card kasi ayan yung mga ginagamit sa loob to buy foods, water, and everything. This area would be the onsen bath, so I cannot take video kasi lahat dyan nakahubad. Luckily, walang tao sa paligid ko so I was able to show you dito nagpapalit ng damit at iiwan nyo dun sa locker yung inyong mga gamit. More restaurants here. May mga claw machine din and arcade games. This is the outdoor area. There's like this mini pool there pero bawal maligo po doon. Parang it will just make more nature vibes sa loob. More restaurants here. Let's go inside. This is their cool area. Let's go inside the terrace pa. Sa terrace pa, lahat dito mainit. Iba't ibang temperature lang, pero lahat ng area dito mainit. Super moist na talaga yung camera ko, so sobrang init sa loob. Ito talaga yung pinupunta ko dito, yung sauna. It helps me relax, ease muscle tension, and simply slow down after a busy week. Sometimes a little quiet time is all we need to feel refreshed again. Hanggang dito mainit, pero dito mild na lang yung init. This exit leads you to their outdoor terrace area. I love this spot because it's surrounded by trees and nature, making it feel so peaceful and relaxing. They also have barrel sauna, one of their newest feature also. And right next to it is their library area where you can read books, manga, and comics while you relax. Next, let's head to their indoor lounge areas on the second and third floors. If you just want to sit down, recharge, and enjoy some quiet time, the second and the third floor lounges are perfect for that. Comfortable, peaceful, and honestly, one of the best spots to simply do nothing for a while. This is also one of their newest area, the funky music area. So, nagsasound na kayo and party at the same time. It's very good. Today was my reset day. A little rest, a little peace, and a little time for myself to recharge my body, mind, and soul. To all moms out there, you deserve moments like this too. Godly day.